Hi, welcome to my channel. You are here at Designed by Leave Toronto. I'm part of a subscription group from the company, the Coffee Monsterz Co. I think she's actually who got me into stickers and stationery supplies. 4 or 5 years ago, I saw her stuff and her designs, they were just so cute. And I was curious in what book she was putting it in. And then I saw the way she laid it out, and I saw, you know, her journaling style, and I really just fell in love. I always loved stickers as a kid, so this is my excuse to play with stickers again. So yeah, here's my little haul. Ah, I showed you my address. I'll erase that part. Anyway, I'm such a dunce. I'll have that. Alright, here we go. That's not working. Let's grab our scissors. Ay, ay, ay. You'd think I was born yesterday sometimes. I amaze myself with my antics. Ooh! Yes, so if you belong to the Coffee Monsterz Co. and you haven't gotten your subscription yet, you might just want to turn it off. Don't look at my address. Okay, let's see what we got here. Look at this sticker! I need to save the sticker. Super cute! Super kawaii! Ooh, good. I didn't rip it. Super kawaii 3 washi stickers so far. Washi tape stickers. Ew. Can you see it? Let's see. Zoom in. Zoom. No? Or put it like that. Beautiful. It's city view with gold foil and silver foil. Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous. What about now? Can this camera see it? Oh, tracking. Nope. We're gonna have to roll some out. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, she's so talented. Oh my goodness. Ah, look, there's someone who fell down. She's so talented. Oh my god, I love it. Let's see if I put it on this piece of paper if it makes it easier to see. I don't want to unstick it. No way. Oh, I really hope this camera can see it. I don't know why. Oh, there we go. There we go. I got it. Oh my god, it's beautiful! Helen, you knocked it out of the park! Oh, it's so pretty! I don't even want to use that! Oh my goodness! Wow! She is so talented. Check her shop out. The Coffee Monsterz Co. She's out of BC, British Columbia. Oh, this is cute. This will be very easy to use. I won't feel bad using this one. Oh my goodness, she really knocked it out of the park with that city one. Oh, she's so talented. Little emotis. Oh. Emotional emotis. They seem to all be happy or glad. Very cute. Let's see what else. Oh my goodness, it's transportation. Very, very cute transportation. Little cars and trucks, buses. Try to be gentle. Very cute. Look at all the city buses. Very cute. Beep beep. Super cute. You know what? Oh, look at that truck. It says Bean. Bean, because every sticker pack you get, there's a little coffee bean on the top by her logo, and there's cards that you fill, and maybe, I don't know how many there are. I want to say maybe 30? I'm probably wrong. Anyways, you fill it up with all the kind of coffee beans, and then you get a discount. Or is it that you get, I don't know, obviously I've never done it successfully. Oh, that's cute. Check that out. That's very pretty. Ooh! Oh, yay! Foil stickers. Oh, I love it. Oh my goodness, where am I gonna put these? I don't... Do you ever have stickers you just don't want to use? I have that problem a lot. That was so exciting. Oh, it's so cute. I'm gonna die. Okay, what's this? Ooh. This is a little pocket. So you can attach it to whatever book you want, planner, and you stuff little important things in there that you want to have on hand when you're using your notebook. This is absolutely wonderful. I'm so happy I subscribe to this. Very, very, very cute. Oh, it makes me so happy. Oh, I love it. Okay, last thing? Is it the last thing? No, it's not. There's 2 more things. A vinyl sticker, shopping, coffee, newspaper. Very, very cute. And these are really good to put on your water bottle. I put mine on my water bottle, and I am really not a fan of washing dishes by hand. So this goes through my dishwasher on my water bottle, and it has not come off, not gotten ruined, nothing. I definitely recommend Coffee Monsterz Co. products. And finally, a little city notepad. Look, 2 little hens gossiping. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm gonna open it. Or not. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's so cute. It is very, very cute. Very, very cute. Oh, look, you can put like the title right here. Ah, so satisfying. All right, so that's it. I definitely recommend you check out the Coffee Monsterz Co. I will put her website link in my description. Thanks for coming and checking out my subscription haul. I hope to see you soon. Please hit the subscribe button if you want more fun stuff that I have to share. Bye!